Eyes are the key factor that can instantly turn anything into a character. But when you know how to add emotions to those eyes, that's when the magic really happens. Hi, my name is Jutta. I'm an artist and educator based in Germany. I'm a top teacher on Skillshare with classes about drawing in general and working with Procreate or Procreate Dreams. One of my favorite things to do is create quirky and fun illustrations where I personify objects and add unexpected twists. In this class, we'll explore how to create super simple yet expressive eyes. I'll show you how to use them to bring fun characters to life and even create whole scenes with simple techniques. Whether you're working digitally in Procreate or using traditional tools like paper, ink, or Posca pens, you'll learn how to give your illustrations personality without overcomplicating things. So grab your iPad, paper, pen, or whatever you like to use, and let's have some fun turning super simple eyes into powerful storytelling tools. Let's get started.